Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change country or location on OmeTv, right? And in this video, in this case, you don't need any VPN to do it. So we'll just open here OmeTv. Once I open, we have to just log in by using the Facebook, or if you have another account, then you can just use it, right? And I will just get into here. I will just allow all the access for now, right? And once I allow, we will do one thing here. We have to just go to the settings icon, which is here. So let's get into the settings icon, and here you will find the option that select your language, right? So once you select a language, you can just change your language. But what if I just want to change my country, right? So there is a only way one way to do it. Just go here, and here you will find this option of country. So once you click on country, you will able to change the country without using any of the VPN. For example, I just want to go to Thailand, and here I will able to change the country. The country has been changed, and I can start talking to people, right? Strangers from Thailand, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.